Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Future Trading with Mike, and you already know what it is. This is another video of me trading the E-mini S&P 500 futures. Welcome everyone to the video this morning. I'm sure you're watching it now. I'm sitting here recording it for you. But anyways, let's go ahead and jump into the video. This is your first time watching the video today, guys. Would love to have you on the team as one of these subs or subscriber to the channel. I am a futures trader. That's what I trade. I traded futures. I primarily trade the E-mini S&P 500 futures using my strategy, just basically waiting, marking levels and support and resistance. Primarily supply and demand is what I really look for. I look for the rejection and take the trade on the pullback. That's pretty much what it is. I'm a pullback trader, waiting for price to come back to areas or retrace to areas. So strategy works. I have tons of videos showing it, guys. You guys can follow the channel, watch the videos, and thank you for subbing today. If this is your first time watching one of the videos, and drop me a like as well. All right, so let's go ahead and get the video started here today. I want to say this over into the overnight session. I did take a trade. If you can see it, well, you can't see it, but you can see where I have this. Where was it at? Let's I'm gonna take a look. It was right here. I took a trade right here. All right, it was almost at. It was right here around almost 10 o'clock last night. I took that trade, guys, and I scalped that. Well, I scalped it. I entered that trade right there because basically what we have here is what price pushed up here on this move to the upside, it pulled back, right? So when it broke higher, taking out resistance right here, I was looking for the pullback, okay, and I really want to see it pull back to this area right here. I wasn't by this time in the morning. I was asleep, but this was a good area to take a trade from right here. This was the area right here where this purple line was at. I actually entered the market earlier, took my trade right here, back up to this area right here of at the top, so where resistance sits at the top volume area. So let's see, why is it not picking that trade up for me? Okay, let's see here. What time was that? 9:45. It was 10 ticks, guys. I picked up right there. I think it was just from here to this area right here. Picked up 10 ticks, but the market pushed lower, and this is really the area where you really want to get in and try to get into an entry right here. That was at almost 4 o'clock this morning, so I didn't take that trade. All right, so today's the 22nd. It's Wednesday, and of December. Not sure if the market's going to do much at all today, guys, but hey, we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. Okay. So my question to you guys today would be, I'm gonna open up the session here with a question, okay? Because I kind of want you guys to get engaged and not just watch me trading, but get engaged. Have any of you guys ever felt like you just wanted to flat out quit trading? You tried, and nothing seemed to work, and you just gave up, or was started to, or had plans on giving up because you lost your money, you busted your account. So how many of you guys have actually just decided to stop or quit trading and said, hey, this is just not for me? You went back to working, you're doing the full-time thing, your full-time job somewhere, whatever the case is, and maybe you were just trying to dabble in trading to see from a part-time standpoint to see if it would work for you or not, and you just you quit or gave up. I'm here to say that, hey, it will push you to the brinks of where you want to just stop doing it, because you're trading with your money, and no one has the opportunity, nor wants to, not the opportunity, no one wants to lose their own money. No one wants to. You work hard for your money, you don't want to lose it, right? Okay, and you can lose it just as quick. So you just got to be know what you're doing when you're trading these markets. Okay, so leave a comment down below. Let me know. Have you ever felt like you wanted to quit? What market was it that you were trading? Was it a particular strategy that what you were using and it just didn't work out for you? So I like to hear, you guys as well. I like to know what kind of strategy you guys use as well. So I guess that's a kind of a 2 or 3-fold question there. So let me know, what brought you to almost quitting? Did you actually quit? And then what strategy were you using that just didn't, you feel like it just didn't work out for you to where it just, maybe caused you to get to that point where you wanted to quit? Okay, so let's so drop a comment down below. Leave your comments down below. I like to hear from. I mean, I think there's like 530 of us now, so go ahead and leave me a comment. I like to hear from individuals. All right. And if this is your first time watching one of the videos, hey, make sure to hit that post notification bell, that little bell icon. I don't know if it's near the subscribe button, if it's on the subscribe button now, but look for it on the main page or wherever you already hit the subscribe button, and click that as well, because that way you'll never miss one of my recorded sessions of me trading the E-mini S&P 500 and watching me trade my strategy. So the market has been creeping to the upside the last several. Well, really, honestly, since the 20th, okay, so which really was Monday. So prior to that, as you can see, I'll pull up the 60-minute chart. My volume profile is not loaded here for some reason, but other than that, we had been moving to the downside, from around the, let's see here. Yeah, we're moving to the downside. Market part pushing down here, latter part of November, and then we started pushing back up. So honestly, we're kind of, well, we broke high right here, looks like. Okay, so we actually took this high right here out. So the all-time high right now is sitting at 40, I believe, 47.40 up here. So, and right now, price has broke, through several days or session lows here. It has not broke the low of, I believe that's the 5th of December here. Looks like, let's see, 5th of December. And actually it did. It broke slightly below it. So we can go back to the 3rd now. Price hasn't broke the 3rd, it looks like. So, man, right now, so basically we've had a downfall or slide to the downside, making, lower lows and lower highs, excuse me, lower lows and, yeah, lower highs going to the downside. I was looking at something on my chart over here. But anyways, so now the market's kind of in a channel to the upside here. That's what I'm trying to say, guys. So, all right. So we'll look to see what happens here. Looks like I got a gap right here in the market. So, let's look at the 12 range, because that's what I primarily look at from a daily standpoint to mark my levels of interest. So, but I did mention that this was a trade opportunity right here around 3:45 or 4 o'clock in the morning, somewhere around there. Price pulled back to an area of demand right here. This was a great area to take a trade from. So I marked it up on my chart. You can see I had that purple line there. I wasn't up, looking at the market then. And this is a good time to actually, if you, I'm sure a lot of people who have 9 to 5 jobs, 8 to 5, 9 to 6, whatever it is, and you're working in a day, you can say, well, it's hard for me to trade at night. I mean, during the daytime. I get those questions because people do ask that. There are markets or times that you can actually still trade the futures, like the Asian market in the evening. I think it opens up around 7 Eastern time or something like that. And then you got the London session too, around 3 o'clock in the morning. So that's Eastern time though. But anyways, this would have happened or transpired. This trade right here, or this opportunity right here, would have been at around the London session time. There's good volume during this time, and you can actually trade during that time as well when the market came back down here. So this is around London session. Market opened up, could have gotten that trade and taken it back up to pretty much up to the upside right here. Up to these highs right here. So that was a great opportunity. All right, so. All right, let's take a look and see what's going on now. So I don't know how or how many opportunities we'll get today, because the market, I mean, we're right at the holidays, and volume's getting, things kind of slow down. So right now we're still channeling to the upside. We do have a channel to the upside, even though the last several days we've been moving to the downside primarily. So, yeah, you can see, each day, the last several days, it's been a low, lower low, lower low, and down here, a lower low, and then we started turning around. Now we have let's see, we broke in. Let's see. All right, so we broke the high of the 19th, of 20, of the 20th. I'm sorry, and now we're moving back up. We have not broke the high from the 17th. So, all right, okay. So price is moving back into an area of resistance, as we can see up here at the tops. Okay, so and it's looking. So there it is. For the upper end of the top volume area right here. Okay, and so price is at an area right here. Okay, it's an area of resistance. Oops. Okay. So with that said, let's see here. I'm sorry. I'm just looking, guys, so bear with me. Looking to see what price is at right now on my 12 range chart. All right. So with that said, yeah, price is up in this area right here. Now we have approached an area where there is definitely an area of supply at. Okay. And this is an area of resistance as well. So be careful because let's see. The market could actually react here. I would like to see it push maybe just a little bit higher. Yeah, maybe to this area up here around 46, 52 area, 53, somewhere around there. Okay, it's pushing higher, trying to push higher. So looks like it's trying to break through this area right here to the upside. Okay, we're pushing up. I just said that, right? All right, right here. Okay. Now we'll see. Let's see, 52. Okay. So we'll see what happens here. Where's the market? Where's okay? Price is right here. Okay. So we'll see what happens right here. Okay, guys. So we'll just wait. All right. Now I'm just waiting to see what the market's going to do. Now we've got support right below us, so this opportunity definitely probably won't be for much, even if I get into it. So you have to be careful. But yeah, I took that trade right here. It was around almost 9:45 or 10 o'clock last night. I saw price pulling back into this area to swing right here. I really was wanted to stay up and see the price move back to this area right here, pull back, but I just didn't get into it. I mean, I couldn't. I just wasn't staying up that late to sit there and watch it. So let's see. I'm going short. This is going to be for I mentioned a very, very short opportunity. Come on. Come on down. Go ahead. Okay, I'll go ahead and take a point on that. It'll probably come down here. It could come a little lower. Let me take a look at something here. I want to see where price is at and reference to, yeah, it can come on down to this area right here around 50. So it can bounce from there. I think we may have we hit that area? Yeah, pretty much hit it to almost hit a tick, just a tick away. So, all right. So price moved to the upside here. We can see it pushing up, making these higher highs and higher lows, and okay, swinging to the upside. So there could be an opportunity where price maybe gets here, because we'll be dialing back into, of course, support, but um, let's just see. I'm not sure, but we'll wait and see. Price can continue pushing higher. So I just scalped that area there. Okay. Like I said, it's the market's probably it's slowing, the volume's slowing, it's slowing to where we're not probably going to have too many opportunities. Let's look at volume for today. Yeah, volume's kind of thin for the ES during the what time is it? 10:30. Yeah, it's slim. It's very thin right now. So volume's thin. Be careful because the market can be very volatile, and at the same time, um, the opportunities you can get stopped out pretty quick. So yeah, volume's pretty thin, and this probably be my last day of trading for the week, um, being the holidays coming up and stuff. So I know typically how it is pretty much a few days before and pretty much the week after the holidays. It's the market best time. The best thing to do is just wait to the beginning of the year, pretty much. Not to say there's not may not be any opportunities, but sometimes you may be sitting at your desk, trading and pulling your hair out because you just don't have the patience to sit there. So we're just gonna. I'm gonna wait up. We're gonna see. I'm not sure the market's gonna. Let's see what happens. Yeah, the market it can bounce right here where it's at now, or it can come a little lower. So of course we like to see it. Like to see it. Let me see here. Yeah, and this right here was a great opportunity. I didn't see this at 8:45 this morning. When the market came down to this area, which was demand here, this was your opportunity to go long here. Then the market comes back. When the market comes back, basically not making a lower low. Um, see, comes back down to this low right here, rejecting this area right here. You could have right here got to a long here. So there was two good opportunities. This one was during the London session, and here the New York session hadn't opened up yet. So all right, so we're bouncing right here. So I'm just going to wait, guys. So I'm going to show you. That's where I got into that trade at. It was around almost 10 o'clock last night. Um, well, I got to the trade and I took it back up here. So that's the entry I took last night. Okay. So like I mentioned that at 345, this price pulled back. This was demand sitting right here. So when price pushed up right here and then pulled back, it pulled back to this area demand right here. And this was a solid long right here at 8:45 this morning. You just wait for the price to break this candle here to the upside. And then as it does, then take your long entry. And you could have taken this long right here, maybe to close this candle right here, the 46.30 and a quarter price level, price area, and then you could have taken it all the way back up to here. So that move there would have been, man, that's 13. No, hold on, sorry. 30. Yeah. So I'd say 12 points, 10, 12 point move right there. So I didn't, I wasn't even sitting in front of my computer at the time. You don't catch them all. To be honest with you, you won't catch them all. So I don't, know how today's gonna play out. Um, so we'll just have to see. I did take a little short entry. Price pullback. It was, um, no. Let's see. Man, I know what price is sitting at, guys. We know that. All right, let's see here. I'm going short. Okay. I am going short, guys, just for quick scalp. That's all. Hmm. Come on. Ah, it took one contract, didn't it? But it didn't feel the other. What in the world? Yeah. Come on. I'm gonna go ahead and take it. I'm gonna get out this trade here because the market's kind of moving sideways right here. I'm gonna take this out here. I'm not too comfortable with what's going on here. I'm gonna be careful in this area. Yeah. I'm gonna wait. Excuse me. Okay, so price is breaking this area here. We could get a pullback to this area, but price is moving up into an area. You see the price. This is back on the 16th and the 17th right here. Price push down, pull back, and then push lower. We have an area right here, so price is pulling back into. There's a high volume area here, so this could be a possibility. So we just wait and see. Okay, but we gotta be mindful of what's sitting right below us. At the top of this high volume area, right below us is this high right here. Okay, so let me go back and mark that area. I'll mark that with this. Let's see here. Yeah, see, price can come back right back to this area. Right here, where that purple line is at, and bounce. Because there's support sitting right there now, which was resistance, now it's support. Okay, price is still pushing higher. So we're testing this area here now. Okay, let's see. All right, so it's rejecting this area here. Um, let's see here. See, the problem with this is that we got support now right below us. Where are we at? Actually, 57. And this could be a good trade. I'm going short. I am going short, guys. Come on. Take a look at this again. Whoops. 58. 57.5. Come on. Ah, we're still pushing higher. Come on now. Where's price testing? Oh, this area up here. I see what it's doing. Okay, okay, okay. It's actually testing the tops of this area right here. But we have resistance right there also. So, all right. Let me go back. Take a look here. Let me look at my 4 range as well. Okay. All right. I may be on this trade a little too early. Um, Could be on the trade too early here. Let's see. Market did come to the top of this. It's at this area right here, this high volume though. So I took that trade. I should have. Let's see. Um, yeah, I should have waited. The price really got up into this area right here, right around 65, and look for maybe something to happen there. But it could also push up higher and test this area here, and it could come up here and test this area up in here. So um, you really got to wait for the rejection. A really clear sign for the rejection, guys, to be honest with you. Let's see something. Come on, push lower. Yep. Taking a bit of heat because I should have waited. I took the trade too early. I should have waited for price to break this area here. So you mark your area level on your 12 range, but also pay attention to your 4 range to make sure the price is breaking, certain areas on the 4 range as well. The price is going to have to break below this area right here. So I took my trade too early. Price could push higher. Okay, so price is it's moved, pushed higher to that area. Where is it at? Right here. Right here. So we have this was a leg, a swing to the downside. Price pushed up, we pulled back, and then we had, fall through to the downside. Now price is actually moving back up into this area of the swing here, but we've got levels sitting within a swing. So be careful because the price is moving back to an area of supply here, resistance area. So it's right here above this high volume area. This could give us a good opportunity, but you just have to wait patiently now that you've marked your level, marked an area, because price may not be done. It could actually pull back higher and move to this area here, or it can push up and pull here. But being right above a high volume area is a good opportunity. So that's why I have that red line marked right there. We'll see what happens here, but we have to be mindful too, because right below us we have support. So let's see. Market's just moving to the upside. um, this right here, this would have been a little long right here, just up to this area right here. Small, little long. So you have opportunities. You could take a few trades. Market's not done a whole lot today. Just kind of steady moving to the upside, pulling back a little bit. So makes it a little difficult. But we are in an area of resistance. We're in an area of resistance. But you can see like the market's just zigzagging the way it's doing to the upside. So yeah. So still breaking higher here. They're still breaking higher. So I'm scrolling back on my chart to see that area again. Okay. Price is breaking through this area here now. Okay. All right. Oh, trying to figure out where I was at. There we go. All right. Okay. Hmm. Price is let's see what we got going on here. This is a good. This right here would have been. All right, I'm short, guys. Come on. It can pull back. I know it can pull back. Price can pull back for sure. Come on. I'm short early. I should have waited for the pullback right here. All right, let's do this. Come on. Let's see. Let the price pull back to. Pull up to. Okay, pull up to this area here. And it can still pull up here. Price can still pull up to this area right here. Come on. Come on. Ah. It needs to really break this area here. Yep, it really needs to break that area there. It's not wanting to so far. Uh, uh, it's not what I want to see. I'm long. Let me give me short on this trade too early. Whoops. Too early, too early, too early. Ah, Jerking. Jerking around. You see I took the trade right here. Took it too low. Wrong time. Too early. Oh man. Jerky. Hmm. Man, I didn't see that. This right here. Yeah, price can push up to right here. You can come up a little higher. Uh, hmm. Oh boy. The market's just bidding volume right here. So far, it's not wanting. So far, it's struggling to push higher. So hopefully, we're going to get a push down to the downside now. I've been expecting, and it pushes lower and breaks this area here at 67 and a quarter. It comes down to here. So and go ahead and clear our trades. I mean, our profit target areas. So hopefully, we get to push down now. Come on, right there at it. One tick away. Come on, watch it pull back. All right, first two contracts. Come on. We can pull back up to here, this area here. I'm gonna go ahead and take profit though. All right, I know it can pull back up to this area right here. So a little drawn out entry there, but still profited. So no problem there. I noticed that when price pulled back to this area right here, I took the trade too early. I should have waited for the pullback right here, and then when price was rejecting the push above this area here, at that point you kind of know that's going to push to the downside. At least testing this area right here. And we've got these little levels right here, but let's see what happens. Yeah, be careful because you pretty much got areas of support sitting right below. So price can bounce anywhere. So yeah, be careful. Look at it, it came right here to this low right here and it bounced. I don't like price action today. It's just, it's all because of, I mean, come on, like volume's low, really is low. So be careful trading this stuff. All right. So yeah, I'm not sure, guys. If price comes back down to maybe, I'm not sure, maybe this area here. We'll see. Um, yeah, I'll keep my eye open when price comes back down to this area right here to kind of see what it'll do. Maybe around here or just a little lower, right below this little high volume area. So we'll see. That'll put us right here on the 12 range as well. So you guys can be mindful of this area here around 62. Um, Price moves from that area there. Let's see. Um, Price moves from that area there. It could come on down to maybe 52 around this area right here, somewhere around here. So just keep your eyes open. I'm not sure what the market's trying to really do today. Volume's low, so they're probably going to thin out over, getting closer to. I mean, it's only 2 days left in the week, so it's starting to slow down, a lot. Yeah, volume's low, guys. So with that said, I'm not saying you can't trade, but you can be very careful because when there's not much volume in the market, then primarily, you can get stopped out really quick because the market can kind of just tick around back and forth, push and pull, and not really move like it should. So right now the market's rejecting this area here. So we could rejecting to push lower, I should say. Um, uh, hmm. Hmm. Yeah, be careful because right here, the top's here. Excuse me. Yes, I'm gonna go ahead and just get the hiccups. Close this video out here. Not too much going on today. Take a couple little short scalps. So some days it's like this. But yeah. So but anyways, yeah. I mean, you guys, leave me comments below. Let me know what if you ever felt like just quitting this whole trading game, and maybe you have, or what brought you to that level of quitting, or you know, was it a strategy that you were using? You just blew your account too many times. Um, Kind of like get some engagement in the community and in the comment section with you guys, and what it was possibly that maybe brought you to the brink of wanting to quit or almost quitting. So I'm gonna wrap it up, guys. Stay safe in the market if you're trading. I mean, stay extremely safe because the market is just kind of chopping to the upside, not really giving us good, um, entries on pullbacks, whatever the case is. But it's that resistance, and those areas you can look for and be mindful of because you can get um, signals for rejections and possibly take a short. But that's all I have today. I'll see you in the next video, and thank everyone for watching. Like I said, be safe if you trade.